What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again for another dividend paying video. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about my second dividend payment from Starwood Property Trust. As a matter of fact, this is one of the stocks that I'm doing extremely well. I'm actually up 36% from when I purchased. So stocks like this particular one really makes me happy because it kind of averages out the other stocks that I've purchased that aren't doing so well. So once again, in this video, I'm talking to you about my second dividend payment with Starwood Property Trust. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I'm gonna put on the screen right now my current portfolio with Robinhood. I have this portfolio with Robinhood, and then I have like $20,000 or so on Webull that I was trying to do some day trading or swing trading with, which is going okay. I recently just sold my 35 shares with Tesla, and I made a video showing you guys that, and I made a $2,000 profit. And then, of course, in true fashion, when I sell stuff, the stock goes up, and Tesla went up today substantially. I think I sold it for $674, and Tesla was up over $720 today, and that's okay. I do have Tesla in this particular portfolio on Robinhood, so I guess I still got some money from that. So as you guys can see right now on the screen, as of today, my account, the value is $204,014.15. I am still down overall for the year, and definitely overall for all time. So I'll click on all on the screen here, and right where you guys can see the cursor here, I started to invest in the stock market again in May 2020, and since May 2020 I have invested $206,857.24. So I'm still down because right now I'm at $204,000. All time on Robinhood, I'm actually down. The top left corner here, I'm actually down negative $7,242, but that's okay. I'm on my journey. You guys will be a part of the journey. You'll see just how you can make money in the stock market. Now, there's a lot of different ways to make money, and I never will pretend to be a guru. I'm just showing you my journey and what's possible, okay? So I am going to show you guys here my last dividend payment with Starwood Property Trust, which once again is my second dividend payment. So I clicked on Starwood here, and as of the making of this video, they're trading for $25.90. Currently, right here, you guys can see my market value is $7,458.79. Today's return down negative $37. My total return, however, I am smashing it here. I'm actually up 36%. Now, I love this particular one because, once again, there are companies that I am invested with that I'm not up almost $2,000. So I'm actually up 36%. Now, if I had thrown more money at this, I'd be up more, but hindsight is always 20/20, and in the stock market it's always a trip. So that's why I think it's probably safer for people to be more concerned with making money over the long haul instead of making a quick buck. I think one of the things that I experienced when I was day trading really aggressively is the fact that whether I'm up today or maybe this week, I can easily be down the following week. And so it's really hard to have the necessary rules and boundaries to kind of day trade and, you know, make money quickly that way. It's possible, but the learning curve is insanely steep, and you have to have patience along with that, and try not to lose your money along with having patience. So it's a bit of a trip. So my average cost per share is $18.99, and currently they're trading for $25.90. So if I scroll down here, you guys, I will show you the history here. Right now, this is saying 100% buy. That's funny, out of 6 ratings. So that's pretty interesting. That's That's good for me. I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to click on show more. Then I'll click on dividends on the right side. So my first dividend payment, as you guys can see, was April 15th for $133.21. At the time, I had 277 shares and they're paying 48 cents per share. My latest payment is July 15th for $135.72. Once again, well, not once again, because I didn't tell you guys, Starwood Property Trust pays quarterly, okay? So at this particular time, I had 282 shares, and they're still paying the 48 cents. So I was able to get a dividend payment of $135.72. Now, if I go back, I should be able to show you that they have reinvested that, okay? So right here, you see the dividend payment here on July 15th. And then on July 15th, you also see a market buy, and they were able to grab 5.23 shares, and it was $25.93. So it was 3 more cents than what they're currently trading for right now, which is $25.90. Once again, I am very, very happy with this particular stock because of the fact that I am up 36%. You cannot beat that. The only thing that I could have done better is grab more shares initially, or maybe buy shares over time. I think that's something that maybe a lot of people don't know or don't think to do, is to just continuously invest a little bit more, weekly, or not weekly, but maybe bi-weekly if you get paid bi-weekly, or monthly. You can throw $100 in this particular company or into an index fund or an ETF. Okay, so that's a very good practice to do. And as I continue to make videos, you guys will see me implement that very same strategy where I'm going to be putting down a lump sum of money, and then I will continue to invest in that particular account, whether it's a stock or ETF. I'm going to say index fund, but the ETF is basically the same as the index funds, except the ETF version does not have a minimum requirement, okay? As far as like $3,000 minimum in order to purchase that index fund, okay? So the ETF version is basically, there's no minimum. You can purchase an ETF version of an index fund for $3 if you want, instead of, the minimum of $3,000. So I will be making videos showing you guys that and my journey as well. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. Share this video with somebody that may find it helpful. And if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel. All right. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.